Good morning, good morning. Welcome to your math lesson for Friday, not February, whew. Friday, May 15th. Holy cow, guys. After today, you have 2 more math lessons, and one of those is a test. So you guys are set. Keep on going. You're doing a great job. Let's start today with our last speed drill. This is going to be our last one. You don't have any speed drills next week, so that's exciting. It is a doozy, though. It's a 1-minute speed drill, and it's temperatures, all right? So one thing to really pay close attention to is the scale for each of the temperature. Each of the temperatures, I expect the number, the degree sign, and then Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on which one the thermometer is showing, all right? So don't forget that. If you just have the number and no degrees, it's wrong. If you just have the number and the degrees and no Fahrenheit or Celsius, it's wrong. Now, you do not need to write Fahrenheit, right? Just put an F or just put a C, all right? Either one of those is right, okay? All right, let's get it out of the way. Here it comes. Here's the clock. On your mark, get set, go. And pencils down. How'd you guys do? That was a quick one, right? All right. You are officially done with speed drills. High five. Whoopsh. Self five. Whoopsh. Pat on the back. Whoopsh. Good job, guys. Proud of you. Now, our lesson today is a general review. You do have a math test next week on Tuesday. So today you have a general review. Monday you have a general review. And then you have a math test. And then you're done. Woohoo! All right. So let's go over the instructions for the general review. I am not going to help with any of these problems. I want to see how you guys are doing. However, you are allowed to use a homework pass. Now, here's the catch. Are you ready? There always is a catch. There's always a catch. If you use a homework pass on this general review, then you may not use a homework pass on Monday's lesson for math. If you do today's lesson for math and you still have a homework pass, you may use it for the next math lesson. But out of these 2 lessons, 150 and 151, you may not use 2 homework passes. You need to do one of these papers, all right? So you can choose which one you do. That's fine. You should have the page so you can look at both of them and see which one you'd rather do. Or if you don't have any homework passes, you'll do them both, right? But these are the last 2 reviews, and it covers a lot of the curriculum concepts that we've gone over this year. And this is going to really give me a good idea of what you're still struggling on and what things in 5th grade, the 5th grade teacher should be talking about and reviewing with you, all right? So you may not use a homework pass on both of those assignments. Pick one if you have one and you want to use one on math, okay? All right, let's look at the instructions. Page 271 is where I am. Number 1, give the common name for each shape. Now, if you need to look back at the lesson yesterday, that's fine. I'm hoping that you know the common names for most of these things, right? The first one is done for you, square, pretty easy. The next one should be pretty easy. You might have trouble with the next 2, but the last one you should know from memory as well, okay? For number 2, match by drawing lines. So draw a line to match the picture and its name. All right? Let's see how you guys do with those. For number 3, write the correct temperatures in the blank. Remember, you need the number, the degree symbol, and the scale. Is it Celsius or Fahrenheit? Number 4, solve these story problems. On the back. Number 5, write the correct Roman numeral for each number. Number 6, divide and check. Number 7, circle the hottest temperature in each row. So remember, in each row, A has a row of 4. You're going to pick out of those 4 which one is the hottest. Then again, B has a row of 4. You're going to pick out of the 4 which one is the hottest. Hottest. Interesting. Number 8, circle the largest measure in each row. So A, B, C, D, and E. Pick the biggest measure. Number 9, follow the signs. Remember, fractions need to be reduced. Improper fractions need to be changed to mixed number and reduced. All right. And then number 10, multiply. Now here is your hint. For number 10, you should be able to cross cancel every single letter, A, B, C, and D. All right. And that is it for this page. I know that that's a lot. I realize that's a lot, but remember, we're winding down on math. The lesson has only been about 6 minutes, so you get the rest of the time to complete your workbook page, okay? All right, guys, I will catch you soon. Goodbye.